we'll guide you through how to share your Gmail calendar with others. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar by typing calendar.google.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. Once there, look at the left side of the page where you'll see a list of your calendars under the My Calendars section. Find the calendar you want to share and hover over it. You'll see 3 vertical dots appear next to the calendar name. Click on these dots and select Settings and Sharing from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the settings page for that specific calendar. Scroll down until you find the Share with Specific People section. Here, you can add the email address of the person you want to share your calendar with. Click on Add People and enter their email address. Next, you'll need to decide what level of access you want to give them. You can choose from See Only Free/Busy, See All Event Details, Make Changes to Events, or Make Changes and Manage Sharing. Choose the option that best fits your needs, then click Send. The person you've shared your calendar with will receive an email invitation to view your calendar. They need to accept this invitation to be able to see your calendar. If you ever want to stop sharing your calendar or change permissions, you can return to the same settings page and adjust or remove permissions as needed. It's a straightforward process that makes organizing and planning much easier when collaborating with others. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.